welcome to Epcot on this beautiful sunny day. It's cool enough for me to wear a winter hat, and I am going to enjoy the Festival of the Arts. I believe there is a scavenger hunt I might do, and I have to see what kind of adventure is on the back of this book to go to different foods, and I'm currently waiting in line to hang out with the statue of Walt. And here he is in all his glory. So join me on today's adventure. I just picked up my pass holder magnet, which I did not even know was available. Honestly, I just saw a long line and saw that, oh, I can get a new magnet. I have no idea who this character is, quite honestly. I have not seen the movie. I believe it's from Moana. I will find out what this character's name is, but yeah, I don't know. All right, I had to look it up for myself because a lot of people had no idea either. It's Hey Hey. I guess I need to go watch this movie now. So for this festival, they have the part on the back where you can get different items and then get a bonus at the end. I will not be doing this. In my opinion, this is for someone that likes sweets or who's going to be coming to the festival for multiple days. This is my only day coming to this specific festival. And the only two things on here that I would eat would be the tomato soup and the beets. So I will not be doing it this time, but I still may do a scavenger hunt if I find it. So I got myself a gift card, which is now my souvenir for this festival. And that way I don't have to take my wallet out every time I want to grab something to eat or a water. And then I got the scavenger hunt, which is so cute this year. It's a little artist palette. And then every time you find figment in the different countries, you put the sticker on there. And then I get a prize at the end. I already know what it is. And I know I'm giving it to my nephew. So that's why I wanted to do it. But it's fun. It's great for adults and for kids. Hello, how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So I'm number 14. And I get a paintbrush. Very cool. Thank you. And I entered the painter's line. Okay, in case you didn't know, there is a mural here. It is facing Imagination, and it's absolutely free. It's only open until 5 o'clock every day. So depending on what part they're painting will depend on what number you get. It's a paint by number. So I'm number 14, clearly. I've got purple, could be figment, and they give you a paintbrush. They'll assign me a little section, and then I'll paint that section, and then my artwork will become part of the bigger picture. I'll show you the mural as I get closer. So there are some 14s up here, but I don't know that I can reach them. So let's see. These are all 13s. I see a 14 up there. Yeah, they're a little high for me, so I can go down further and see if I can find other ones. All right, I found 2 that I can reach, so I'm gonna do those 2. Thank you. Awesome. All right, well, that was a lot of fun, although I will say the squares are so small that it was really hard to paint with those big sponge brushes. And this is the mural that I was painting. I did the middle part. Mine was the dark purple by the ball. And I did get paint all over my hands, so I'm going to wash them off right now. They did say that if you get paint on your clothes, it won't come off. So hopefully there's nothing on my shirt, because I like this shirt. All right, I'll be back. Well, my plan was to make Journey into Imagination my first ride of the day, except they are closed because of technical difficulties. So I think now I'm going to make my way to the countries to start on this scavenger hunt and maybe get a bite to eat. I really want one of those grilled cheese and soups, but I'm going to wait until it gets a little darker when the line goes down. And meanwhile, I'm going to look at some art on the way to Mexico because I want the boat ride now to be my first ride of the day. found the first one. I won't tell you where it is, but I got my first sticker. I have to say that the last time I was here at Disney was during the week, and it was so much less crowded than the weekend, because now you have not only the people from up north, and kids are on some kind of winter break up north right now. Florida kids are not, but you also have Floridians coming here on the weekends, and it is so crazy. Every line is so long. And so I decided to actually make a reservation at a restaurant, a sit-down restaurant. So I went on my Disney app and I decided the first available at the closest place is the one I was going to go to. And it turns out it's going to be Japan. This specific restaurant that I'm going to, I have not been to since, if my calculations are correct, 1998. So it should be pretty good. Even though I'm kind of having the same kind of food on Valentine's Day, but that's okay. All right, you'll see that. But in the meantime, I'm still on the hunt for the rest of these paintings. I'm gonna stop in Norway next. Okay, it took a little bit of sleuthing, but I found it. All right, I was a little stumped on that one, but a lovely man inside the China pavilion helped me find it.
Yeah, you'll have to look that up later.
Yeah.
Just car commercial with Mickey and Minnie.
Our
and you'll
commercial
see it.
Mickey and Minnie.
Yeah. All right.
I know exactly where this one's going to.
Where's it going to go?
I think it's going to go above the closet door. There's a lot of room up there.
Okay, once it's hung, you got to send me a picture.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Well, that was really cool. I did not expect to buy art today, but I was speaking in Link with that artist's nickname is Scooter, and it turns out he remembers my brother from when he worked in the studios. And I thought, well, let me go look at more of his stuff. I had seen the Jungle Cruise one that I first saw, and then I saw the Tiki one. I'm like, oh, I have to get this. So I bought a piece of art, and he signed it for me. I'll have to show you the full painting when I get home, because I'm currently carrying it in a bag, but it's really cool. You see the sun is setting right now. That was a really enjoyable meal. I had the tofu with vegetables. It was my only meal so far of today, so it was nice and relaxing. It was an hour long, so I got to take a little bit of a break, met some great people at my table, and now I'm going to finish my way around the world to finish this up and get my prize. Wow, the lines here today are really crazy. So no chocolate mousse for me. That's okay. I thought I would check. And the line for the ice cream is super long too. I'm just gonna continue my way around the world and get my special prize. And then I'm gonna start heading back to the front of the park, and maybe I'll get lucky and do Spaceship Earth on the way out. Oh, Figment, Mickey, or Minnie. I'm gonna do Mickey.
Yeah. Figment and Mickey.
Oh, yeah, excellent. Thank you. I got my prize. I decided on the Mickey. I had a choice between Mickey, Minnie, and Figment, and I decided on the Mickey. Now, I'm tired, and I think I'm just gonna finish the around the world. I'm actually at the port of entry, so I'm gonna go to the front of the park again, and then I'm going to call it a night. So look at this gorgeousness. I'm gonna turn it around, and then I'm also gonna show you my painting, and then I'm gonna end this video. How pretty it is when the sun sets, and it's nice and cool again. Not as cool as the last time I was here. I don't need a jacket. I do have a sweater around my waist, but I haven't needed it at all today because it's been warm. And let me show you the painting. The painting is so cool. Look at that painting, and Scooter signed it. it is tiki. They're drinking the tiki drinks, and there is a little tiki guy from the Polynesian. There are the tiki torches. It is black and white, but I think it's kind of cool that way, only popping the red. So that is going somewhere in my tiki office. So obviously there won't be a glare on it. This is a covering on it, but I'm really excited to find a spot for this. I decided to end this with this gorgeous background. It was actually an excellent day. I got a piece of artwork that I wasn't expecting to get, and it turned out to be a really great afternoon. A little crowded, but a great afternoon. So on that note, thank you for tuning into the Wonderful World of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.